What's up, everybody? V-Rock here, bringing all of you another unboxing. But before we get into that, if there's anything that I missed in the last unboxing video, I will definitely go over and cover it. So, the last unboxing was the CMPLE 5-in-1 HDMI switch box. So, if there was anything, let's just double check it. See, here it is. All right. You got your ports there. And over there, you got your indicator light. I think this button switches things. Like so. Yeah. And then we're back to that. We'll run through it one more time. Yep. 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 Of course. Alright, cool. So, we've got that out of the way. So, alright. Enough of that, right? Let's get on to the actual thing that we're doing here. So we've got a box. Yep, we got this box here. So let's open it, right? Let's get hands-free. All right. And let's find out what's inside. I'm going to need some assistance. i.e., I'm going to need something to open the box. So we'll just bring out my keys. I could use the box cutter, but I don't really want to go and get that right now. Maybe that's not the right key to use. Maybe I need this big one. Yeah. Yeah. I'm assuming there's going to be quite a bit of stuff in this box. So it's going to be multiple items, I think. That didn't do so great trying to open that. There we go. Got under it. Okay, good. So, let's just split this. Oh yeah, we can do that. Very cool. All right, are we ready? I think so. Okay, we've got a bunch of stuff in here. All right, we got some, I don't know, what do you want to call these? I guess these are some cards, I guess. Nothing too special. So, we'll put that off to the side. What else? Yeah, there's multiple things in here. What is this? What is this thing? This looks like, yeah. It looks like a retractable keychain. Let's take a look at that. We'll just open her up. As you do so, just like that. Alright, nothing else in that packaging, cool. Alright. Oh yeah, that's nice. Nice carabiner on there, yeah. Uh-huh. What else does this do? Yep. It's got the key ring on there. And it's retractable. I like it. I think this is a metal wire in there. Alright. Cool. So you know what? I think we're going to do this. I think we're going to add my key ring to this right now. Oh, that's hurt my hand. Oh, wow. Wow. Okay. Yep, there we go. We're in. Slide it around. Boom. Awesome. I think I will just clip that to me right now. All right. What else we got? What is this? I guess packing. This, not important. Oh. Not sure what this is, but it's watermelon, and I think this is for somebody else. So I'm not going to even take whatever's in here out of the box. Or am I? We'll have a look at it. I guess whatever the hell this is. Some kind of a sunscreen, I guess. Okay. We'll just put that back in there. Just like so. We'll just put that off to the side with the cards. What else we got? All right. We've got another DVD. Mm-hmm. All right. It's Escape from LA. Case is in good shape. It's obviously brand new. Yep. It's got that factory sealed plastic around it. Let's go ahead and pop that. if I can. There we go. This time I will remember to remove that little sticker. Unlike what happened with the other one. So, yeah. Alright, we still got some plastic in here. Let's just take that off. And get rid of that. Alright. I guess we can see how well this retractable keychain works. Just like that. I need to get the case open a little bit. Just that much to be able to get in there. And we need to split that. Which is easier said than actually done. Make sure I don't scratch anything. This time I was prepared for it, but I don't think I'm using the right key. Maybe this one will be better. Oh yeah, there we go. We'll get it done. Yeah. I want to be very careful with the casing. Well, I guess that worked out. Cool. Somehow, some way, got it to work. I surely hope I didn't break the disc. We will definitely be checking the disc. Ooh. There's still some of that left on there. Like, that did not come off clean like I was hoping for. And now I got the plastic stuck on my damn finger. Okay. I want to get the rest of that off there. Just like so. Yeah, there we go. Alright, cool. Alright, let's reverse the camera and get a better look at this, right? So here it is. Alright. There's the back of it. Yep. There's the spine. Now let's open it. Okay. There should be a booklet in there, but there isn't. So it's okay. Whatever, right? We've got the disc. Nice gray texture there, compared to the other DVD that had a colorful pattern for the Austin Powers 2 DVD. All right, let's check this disc. If I can get it to come off easily. Yep. I don't have a good grip on this very well. There. Alright, the disc is brand new. Doesn't look like there's any scratches so far. That's good. Even though this stuff is brand new, it's always best to check it out, inspect it. Even with used stuff. So, okay, it looks good. So let's put that back. All right, cool. All right, awesome. So we'll move that off to the side. All right, let's go back to being hands-free again. Yep. So we'll just, I don't know, put that off to the side over there. What else? We've got another DVD. Uh-huh. This one is entitled Escape from New York. All right. It's brand new as well. Factory sealed. This appears to not have that white sticker along the top. So, okay, let's pop the plastic. Now that came off a lot better than the other plastic did on the other DVD. I'm checking something real quickly here. Okay. So, again, let's... There we go. There's the front of it. There's the back. Yeah. There's the spine. Uh-huh. Now let's take a look inside. Again, we're missing like booklet or whatever, but that's fine. And then we've got the disc. It's just a silver, kind of like what the other side of the disc looks like. There's not really any artwork on the disc at all. So let's check the disc quality. All right. Since it's brand new. Again, the disc is in excellent shape here. All right, cool. Let's put that back on the thing. Yep. And just pop that. There's some ASMR for you. Alright, enough of that. So, let's reverse. And let's find out what else we got. So, back to hands-free. So, we'll just put that DVD off to the side. By the way, I want to check real quick on this. I believe it does say DVD on it and not Blu-ray. Yeah. All right, cool. What else we got? What is this? Oh, it's a bunch of light bulbs. Like 6 of them, I believe. I've had these before. So let's take a look at those, right? So here we go. We got this. These are those multicolor bulbs, which I definitely needed more because my last ones, 9 of them died. Chips fried in them. So, okay, let's open the box. If I can do this one-handed, which I don't think is that easy. Oh no, it is becoming problematic. I wish I had my cameraman with me. The great Dark Jade Dragon 420, but he's not available right now. So, alright. Whoa, don't tip the box. So, yeah, we got the bulbs inside there. Alright. Yeah. Pretty well packed in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, there's 6 bulbs in there. Some of them are upside down, some of them are right side up. All right. Okay, cool. We'll just kind of close that up. The best that I can, yeah. There we go. That was a lot easier to close that up than it was to open it. All right. So we'll just put those off to the side. And we'll find out what else is in the box. All right, more light bulbs. Same brand. So I guess I've got, what, like 12 now? So we'll do that. Check them out again. Alright. Yep. Just like the other ones. Mm-hmm. Yeah. I'm assuming they come with a remote, because the last ones did. Uh-huh. Yes, that's my little pile over there for these things. Alright. Same thing with this box. Yeah. Nothing too special there. I don't know what that was. I'm not sure what that sound was, but whatever. I heard something make noise in there. But okay. Let's open the box. Like we did with the other ones. And we'll check them out. There we go. Can't get it to stay open. There. Yep, there's the remote. In the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and bulb 6 in there. Yep. So, okay, cool. I'm assuming the other box has a remote in there as well. So, yeah. Alright. Awesome. And those are also multicolor bulbs as well. So, alright. I'm enjoying this very, very much. So, the stuff that I put off to the side, like whatever that sunscreen was, and these cards, whatever these are, yeah, those are going off into the box. There's this other card. So, alright then. Well, I think there's some more stuff to come. I don't think we're done yet with the unboxings. So this was a multi unboxing. Multiple items to be unboxed. I very much enjoyed it. Anyways, follow, like, comment, share, and subscribe. I hope all of you enjoyed this. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything when I do upload. You can also check me out on multiple platforms, live streaming platforms, which is Bigo Live, screen name VRock, and Twitch, VRock720. You can also check me out on social media, Twitter or X, whatever you want to call it. VRock720. Instagram, VRock720 as well. And you can also check out my Patreon page, where I've got exclusive perks and benefits. And that link is www.patreon.com/VRockGames. Peace out, everybody.